All right, then, welcome back. If you have been following this series, you already know the vibe. We don't just click buttons, we understand how the whole system works. So, in the last video, we looked at how to set up Tosca Cloud and we ran through some of the features which are part of the Tosca Cloud. But today, we are going to take a deep dive into the Tosca Cloud application, looking at the architecture and how all the components work together to provide you all the services which are available or features available in the Tosca Cloud Web application. So let's dive in. Now, Tosca Cloud is built on four major pillars. And once we see how they fit together, we'll understand how this platform works. So the first pillar is the Tosca Cloud Web application. So this is like a dashboard or a single point of central application where you can design your tests, you can manage your workspaces, you can trigger executions, and you can even look at your results and dashboards. The pillar two is the user machines. Now, this is where you access your Tosca Cloud, and all you need is a browser, any browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox. So there are no installations. You just log in with your cloud credentials and then you get started. The pillar three is the agent machines. Now, these are the engines that actually run your tests. So you have got the team agents inside your network, and you have got cloud agents hosted by Tricentis. The pillar four is the identity and security. Now, this is the enterprise grade authentication, which is managed by Okta. It manages the SSO and it has got centralized access control, and it also provides secure user management. So this is where you manage all your users. And the best part of all of this is you communicate over HTTPS and WebSockets, so you don't need to set up any ports, no firewalls. It just works. And yes, to wrap it up, the entire platform runs on Microsoft Azure Cloud. So the web app, the cloud agents, the identity layer, the communication channels, everything. So that was the high level overview of the Tosca web application, the whole architecture. Now let's look at each component or pillar, and then let's go through some more details inside each component. So first is the web application, which we have already spoken about. This is where our tests are stored, our workspaces are there, our results are there, everything is right here. And because it is browser-based, we are always on the latest version instantly. So we don't need to upgrade anything here, and we don't need to install anything. Then there is the user machines. So our machine only needs a browser. So if we want to scan or we want to run a local execution, we install the launcher. And this automatically installs the Chrome or any browser extensions. So it will auto update, it will digitally sign, and it will connect you to the Tosca Cloud from the browser itself so that you can scan and create your modules. At the same time, you can run your executions locally. So no installation required. Now coming to the agent machines. So team agents, they run inside your network. These are perfect for internal systems and secure environments. You have got full control of it, but you have to take care of the setup and the network. Then there is the cloud agents. These are hosted by Tricentis. They run on the Azure cloud, where you require zero setup, zero maintenance, and they scale automatically. So if you want a fully managed, scalable cloud agents, then this is the best option. Both types of agents, they communicate with the web app using WebSockets over HTTPS, and they are secure, real-time, and they are firewall friendly. Now, talking a little bit about the identity and security. So authentication is handled through Okta, but you manage everything inside the Tosca Cloud. So you manage your users, you manage how they sign in, what access they have. So you get SSO, access control, and secure user management in this whole component without doing any kind of configuration. So that's all the components of the Tosca Cloud. Now coming to the whole automation testing process, how the execution works. So as you can see, we have got the launcher, which has got all the browser extensions. So when we trigger a test in the web app, Tosca Cloud sends the execution request to the selected agent. It could be the team agent or the cloud agent, and then the agent runs or executes the test. The results stream back into the web app in real time, and then you can see it in your cloud application, all the results, all the dashboards, and all the executions. So it's pretty simple, pretty secure, and everything is powered by the Azure cloud. And that is the full architecture, all the components, and how it works all together for the Tosca cloud. Now, it is designed for modern test automation where you don't need any kind of infrastructure or any kind of installations, upgrades. So all of that is gone, and you just focus on your creating the tests, executing the tests, and reviewing your results. So that's all for this particular video. In the next lesson, we are going to install the launcher and the browser extensions so that we can start scanning our modules and create our tests and execute them locally or on the agents. And I'm sure you don't want to miss it. So do subscribe to our channel, do like it and share it with others.